This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Tim Thornton. Come see this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home situated in the heart of Red Mill Farm, minutes from military bases, SANDBRIDGE and shops at Red Mill. Featuring an open floor plan throughout / an updated kitchen to include quartz countertops, hammered copper farm sink, stone tile backsplash and porcelain tile flooring along west / recessed lighting. Master bathroom boasts a modern single sink vanity, granite countertop and stand-up shower west / tile surround. Inviting guest bath west / newer vanity, beautiful tile flooring carried up the walls along west / bathtub. All 3 bedrooms boast newly installed engineered bamboo flooring. Mature landscaping and a generously sized fenced-in backyard. This home is ready.